3W handheld laser welding machine is suitable for welding materials: carbon steel, stainless steel, high-strength steel, galvanized sheet, and other metal materials. Select industrial-grade stable lasers. Sufficient power and no false labeling. Industrial-grade laser electronic control. Stable laser power output and small power fluctuation. High efficiency, time saving and labor saving. One laser welding machine is equivalent to 4 argon arc welding machines. Industrial-grade LCD screen. Simple touch screen operation. Simple and efficient human-computer interaction.